In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cryptocurrency symbol in MetaTrader 5. If you've opened MetaTrader 5 and you don't see your favorite crypto pair, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, don't worry. The symbol usually just needs to be enabled in your market list. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can quickly add it and start analyzing or trading. First, open MetaTrader 5 and look for the Market Watch window. This is usually located on the left side of the screen and shows a list of available symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, or commodities. If you don't see Market Watch at all, go to the View menu at the top of the platform and select Market Watch, or simply press the shortcut key if you know it. Once it's visible, you're ready for the next part. Inside the Market Watch window, look near the bottom of that panel for an option to add more instruments. Depending on your version, you might see a plus icon, an Add button, or you can right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch area and choose the option to add symbols. The idea is the same. You're opening the list of all symbols that your broker makes available, not just the ones currently displayed. After you click to add, a separate window or panel will appear with all the available symbol groups. Here, you want to look for the section dedicated to cryptocurrencies. It might be labeled something like cryptocurrencies, or similar, and you may see different pairs such as BTC-USD, ETH-USD, or others offered by your broker. Take a moment to scroll and find the specific crypto you're interested in. Once you've found the cryptocurrency symbol you want, select it. Typically, you'll either double-click it or highlight it, and then click an option like Show or Add. Follow the prompts that appear on screen. These prompts are there to confirm your selection and move the symbol from the full list into your active Market Watch window. Just confirm each step, and if you see any confirmation messages, accept them. When you're done, close the symbols window. You should now see your chosen cryptocurrency listed in Market Watch. From here, you can open a chart by dragging the symbol onto a chart area, or by right-clicking the symbol and choosing to open a new chart. That's all it takes to add a